Hello, my little foxes. Thanks for tuning in for another video. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Yuna, and I'm an artist based in the Pacific Northwest. Today, I'm going to take you guys along on a sketchbook spread and some of my October festivities. I was going to include an Inktober tour, but I think that's going to be an entire video in itself, either on here or on Instagram. Yeah, so in my last video, I ended with my trip to Texas. While I was there, I went to a couple art exhibits and had such a connection with color. As you know, or maybe not if you're new, I have been transitioning over from doing mostly graphite, black and white work to colored pencil and colorful digital work in the past year or so. I'm not sure what it is, but colors lately have been so intriguing to me. I've never been this drawn to it before. I loved the dark and mysteriousness that graphite brought to my art, and I still do, but I feel like as I'm growing as an artist, there's so much more that can be said with color. What also intrigued me was the application of sound with the art exhibits. I've always liked music and have had music in my videos, but the exhibits had more organic sounds, and having that element brought more depth and feel. That's kind of why I'm adding voiceovers to today's video and just talking in general. I feel like there's a lot of context and emotion that is missing in videos where there's no personal voice to attach it to. But let me know what you think. If you prefer just music, I can do those too. Anyways, here I am drawing a typical sketchbook spread. As you can see, I am just going in straight with a pen. I started drawing with pen earlier this year, and since then I have been drawing almost every day, and I've become more free with my art. I've become less focused on having a complete piece, and I'm more focused on just getting ideas down on paper. I keep my sketches very loose now and think of every mistake as an opportunity to discover and try out a new idea that I wasn't going for. I was able to finish an entire sketchbook with this new mentality, and I've just kept going from there. The best thing was that I was able to see my progress before my eyes, just flipping through my sketchbook. And I know this may sound very, very silly, but I really struggled with this in the past, with filling out sketchbooks and making art that wasn't fully finished or quote unquote perfect. I was really scared to start drawings. I was too focused on the finishing line rather than the process. So this was such a fun and inspiring thing to experience. I really hope that I can have this similar experience with my YouTube videos as well. I make these videos as a visual diary on my progress with art. It's nice to just have a platform where I can share and talk about it. I'm nowhere near perfect with drawing, but I know I love how I feel when I am drawing. So I hope that this can inspire you to keep doing something you love, even if you feel like you aren't that great at it just yet. And I hope to film and show you guys my good drawings and my bad drawings and be very transparent with my art. I feel like many artists online show you only their beautiful pieces, and it can really give you this false idea that good artists can only have good artwork all the time, which is definitely not true. So another thing that I've been doing is trying to draw a variety of things. I think for a while I was very focused on portraits and drawing faces. This is still probably my favorite thing to draw, but as you can see here, I'm starting to incorporate different elements. I use a lot of different references, and my trick lately has been to just go on Pinterest and pick the first 10 or so, 5 to 10 pictures that I see without even thinking about it. I don't give myself the chance to think about how hard it will be or anything like that. I just kind of go for it and give it a try. And this has allowed me to really step out of my shell and draw things that I normally wouldn't be drawn to draw before. I've been dabbling with pens for a little while now and have come to find, as with any medium, there are so many different kinds. I have tried archival ink pens, fountain pens, and I've come to find that I really just like a good ballpoint pen for my sketches. The kind that I'm using right now are from Kiekerland. I really just got them because they look super cute, but they have been working very well for me. I really like that I can shade with these and not worry about super splotchy ink spots that I experience with fountain pens. But yeah, I haven't tried out too many. I'm really interested in testing out more. So if you have any good pen recommendations, please leave me a comment. So I'm going to end the voiceover here as we're approaching the end of this sketchbook spread. I hope you enjoy today's piece and the rest of this video.
like rat race of like we've got to show everyone
right,
we're
like I
living
need
this
to
life.
prove.
Thank you guys for sticking around to the end. I really had a great time making this video for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!